Hello, my name is João Pedro Donadio and I'm going to talk about the importance of social positive interactions for livestock sustainability for the second International Electronic Conference on Animals, Global Sustainability and Animals Welfare Policies and Technologies. Some livestock systems deprive the social interactions among animals, giving them a bad experience of life, harming their welfare, as we can see in those pictures of rabbits in cages and sow gestation stalls. In contrast, as an alternative, organic and sustainable systems aim to allow animals to express their natural behaviors, for example, scratching for hens and grazing for cattle, and for both the allowance to social life, increasing their welfare. Most farm animals are gregarious species, presenting a complex social organization. Any social interaction are important to ensure group stability and animal welfare. As an example of social negative interactions, we see pigs fighting for food. Fights like this or displacement are classified as agonistic interactions. These behaviors define the social hierarchy of the herd. Social negative behavior can affect the welfare of animals, in particular of subordinate animals, due to the limited access to resources. To deal with this problem, we can design better rearing systems. On the other hand, there are social positive interactions that can be defined as a cohesive behavior for promoting group cohesion. Behaviors such as allogrooming, licking, or sniffing can be considered a social positive behavior. An important factor about these behaviors is the affinity bonds formed between the animals that can be perceived by the observation of these behaviors and also by the spatial proximity between pairs while grazing, resting, or in any other moment. Research shows the effects of affinity in the access to resources. Observing these social positive behaviors, we can see pairs or groups of animals that individuals prefer to be with, forming affinity bonds. Strong affinity relationships are usually formed between more closely related animals. Allowing this to happen can mitigate the stress that animals are subject to in the reared environment, like decreasing heart rate and reducing stress responses to new environments. Through the awareness of animals' affinity, it is possible to adapt some livestock practices, like avoiding regrouping, which is a real problem to the social stability of farm animals. In dairy, for example, groups with high affinity may be easier to handle during milking and transportation. This consideration can also improve the management of any other species during calving and veterinary treatments, reducing stress. Therefore, animal handling would be less stressful for both animals and handlers. In conclusion, recognizing the social behavior of animals in housing and management is stimulating normal social development, is respectful to the animal's life, allowing an ethical, ecological, and sustainable livestock. For those who are interested, these were my references. Thank you.